What is going on, everyone? Caveman Crypto here, and today we're talking about a fun NFT project called Cretins Monks on the Run. Let's take a look at it. So here we are. The NFT project's created by Cretins Monk Crew, and this particular collection is called Monks on the Run, and it describes itself as whimsical and charming. And as you can tell, these profile picture NFTs are pretty fun, really cool, a lot of unique properties. I'm totally digging the vibe. Check that one out. That's hilarious. But I think a good NFT project needs to have more than just fun pictures. So let's take a look at their site and see what they have going on as far as utility and community. Alright, here we are on the Cretin Monks site, and as you can tell, it's a pretty cool site, and I'm totally jealous because check out my site. It's the most boring site in the whole world, but I'm working on it, and hopefully in not too long I can get some time and I can actually do something cool with my site. For now, it's just going to be boring, but forget all that. Let's go check out the site. So, Cretins Monks. Here, let's see what they have to offer. So here's the new collection, the Monks on the Run. And it has a lot of cool things about it. Some things I've never seen in any other NFT project. First of all, they have their own token called Nuts. And when you mint an NFT, there's a chance to win additional Nuts tokens through, which I think is pretty cool. It's kind of this whole gambling aspect. And it kind of makes you want to buy more NFTs, right? Because the more you buy, or the more you mint, I should say, the better chance you have of winning those Nut tokens. And also kind of cool, they reward their holders. So if you have 5 or more NFTs, then you get some cash back on the sales of those NFTs. You basically like stake the NFTs and then you get the cashback tokens in the nut tokens, which I think is super cool. This main city one I'm going to go to in a second, so let's skip this and see what else there is. Yeah, so once again, here's the distribution. So if you hold NFTs, you get part, once again, they reward you with the nut coins. This is cool, the custom art. So if you hold several NFTs, you can create your own monk NFT, which I don't think I've seen anyone else do this before. This is kind of a neat concept. And I've definitely never seen this whole raffle idea where if you're trying to sell your NFT and you're not having success in getting the price you want, you can create a raffle and then you sell those raffle tickets for, like, say you want to sell your NFT for $100. Well, no one wants to buy it for $100, but if you put it on a raffle and you give out 100 $1 tokens, and people buy those $1 raffle tickets for a chance to win your NFT, then you've made money because you got your $100 like you wanted, and whoever wins that raffle is happy because they just wanted a $100 NFT for $1, right? So I think this is really cool, and I wonder if any other NFT projects are going to do something like this. This is a really neat way to get your NFTs out there and to kind of like make. Like if your NFT isn't doing too well, this is the way to kind of bring life back into that NFT, right? By having these raffles and getting people excited about it all over again. So I think it's a really cool idea. And then this Nut King thing, which I think is kind of funny, that when you mint an NFT, if you happen to get this one Nut King NFT, then you'd win $1,000 USDC, which I think is super cool. So anyways, how did I find out about this project? Well, as you may have seen in one of my previous videos, I play a game called Loaded Lions Main City. It's a crypto.com kind of a city builder game. And I saw that they were doing a collaboration with this Cretins Monks project. And so I took a look at it. And basically what happens is if you bought an NFT, then you could use that in the main city game and you get a particular skin with it, which I think is super cool. So let's take a look at that. Alright, here we are, Loaded Lions, main city. This is my city. It's not too impressive, that's not the point. I'm only ranked like 2,000 or something pathetic like that. But as you can see here, I have my NFT loaded from the Monks on the Run collection. Here are my other cool NFTs that I got. And this is the important part. So when I purchased that NFT, I got a skin. So here you can see what it looked like before. It was the main motors building, which fit the theme of the rest of the building, right? It's really cool looking. But once I bought the NFT, I got this skin that I got to apply to it, and here it is. I think it's super cool. I think this is really neat. I really hope that the main city does other collaborations like this. Because I think that this is a really cool concept. It makes it both so that the Loaded Lines game is more fun, and also gives more utility to some of these other NFT projects. And I really hope they expand on that more in the future. So that's it. I just wanted to show off this cool NFT project that I came across. I think they're a lot of fun. I really like their vibe. They have a strong community. If you go check out their socials like X and Discord and Telegram, they're very active in there. They have contests and games and all kinds of stuff that they're working on to keep the community involved. And that's really what I'm looking for in an NFT project. Is first of all, it has to have a cool concept, right? So this whole Monks on the Run vibe is really fun. But then they're also doing things like collaborating with loaded lines and having contests and staying very active. And they have the Nuts token, which I'm not quite sure if they're going to do anything with that token besides just making a token associated with the NFTs. But I think that's a cool concept of kind of tying together a token across their entire ecosystem of NFT projects. So let me know what you think. Is this a cool project? Are there any other projects like this that I should be checking out? Let me know in the comments. I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.